We're going to be cutting some spinach today because I love it. We're going to be cooking it up. Strong to the finish because I eat me spinach. Good beers, good food, good spinach. I'll let the wife cut some leaves off of here. You better get down in there like you're cutting the grass. This overhanging here. We lost a pair of scissors last time we did this. Perhaps we'll find them in the mist here. There's spinach and there's chard we're going to cook. But this here is basil in the middle. But we love the oh, there's chard in the same bowl? Mm-hmm. Oh, see, I didn't know that. Okay. And spinach is good and chard is just as good. We got that growing in another pot. I don't know how much he's going to get here right now, but oh, there we go. We're going to snip off quite a bit. Some big leaves.
You want to leave the little leaves.
Got some in the back, maybe. I'll hold the basil out of your way. What do you think?
Okay, that'll work.
And we keep this going quite a bit here. The spinach is awesome. A little butter, a little salt, fresh, or in a salad. And we have some more over here. And some fresh growing in the other pot. Getting another, a whole another pot of it, hopefully, if the squirrels don't eat it. I can tell there was a squirrel in there. He dug a hole. I'll probably go steal his nut or whatever he put in there. Well, more chard in here. And in the main garden, chard. I'm off of this one here, too. This one we started back in April. It's the second cuttings.
No, it's just like the fourth cutting.
Fourth cutting, actually. It's good stuff when you boil it up. We got a beer called Evil Twin Brewing, Blue Raspberry. And it's the first time we had it. We bought a 4-pack. And we poured it in the glass, and they say it's supposed to be blue. And nowhere on the can does it tell you to roll it or swirl it. We send an email off to Evil Twin Brewing to say that you should put that on the label. So we found that out in the long run. We poured one without swirling it or rolling it, because they never said that on a can. And it poured a putrid green. It looked like some sort of bile out of somebody's kidney or something, operation. So we're going to pour another one here, only we're going to roll it and see what it looks like. We'll show you that on camera. Coming out green. Go halfway, that's enough. And then swirl that sucker. And you got to swirl it for quite some time. You might be losing a little carbonation or adding a little, well, still greenish.
Still kind of chunky.
Swirl, stop, swirl.
I'm really shaking it now.
No, don't shake it. You're going to get pure foam. And it's still green. Greenish blue. You can see some chunks in there. Not too impressed with it. They should tell you to roll that and shake it. So that's yours. I'm going to pour mine a little different. I'll shake mine a little different and roll it a little different. See if I can get the blue out of there. But it came out in chunks before. But otherwise, it's a damn good tasting sour IPA. And I'm still in the process of swirling. And pour half of it in. Not even half, but I get a lot. Oh, look at that chunks. That's sinful. Yeah, they got to do something about that. I got chunkies in there. They won't hurt you, but you can't get the blue like they're trying to give you. It's getting a little bit more bluer.
Looks like NG2 drainage.
You can see the chunks floating around in there if the camera's picking that up. Let's see, the rest is going to fit in here, but. And at the end, if you swirl the living crap out of it, let me drink a little of this first. Ah! bluish green. That's the best you're going to get. But you look in the can, you can still see some little chunks in there. So, that's a darn good beer, though. Ooh, baby, that's hot. Brr. Is that corn? Corn. Here's the pork. Oh, that looks nice. That's the pork. And one more ear of corn. She off. Carry this in and we're gonna eat it. Why wouldn't we? That's hot. That's hot, 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 hot. We are cooking fresh spinach from the garden here. Steaming it up. I shouldn't have opened it, but it's coming along good. Ooh, that's hot. That goes good with a little butter and salt. But we did pick it. I wanted to show cooking it. And we're going to do a little corn with it. Why wouldn't we?